Costa Rica, the land of beauty and abundance. Here's our 10-day itinerary that we followed. On day 1, we landed at San Jose. Day 2 was dedicated to exploring Poas Volcano National Park. After an educational video, we hiked towards the volcano and on the way enjoyed looking at the tropical plants. When we reached, we saw a beautiful crater with volcanic fumes coming out and beautiful spectrum of colors in the crater. We were at quite an elevation and it seems like the clouds were below us. It was a beautiful clear day, thankfully. It is also known as the largest active volcanic crater in the world. Definitely a beautiful sight to see and experience for sure. After seeing the volcano, we started our drive back to Alajuela, and the drive was so scenic that we had to stop several times to take it all in and click some beautiful pictures. As we drove, we stopped at a roadside soda to enjoy some local Costa Rican fresh food. This soda had rustic ambience with beautiful views of the valley. We enjoyed a casado, which typically has rice and beans with chicken and fried plantains. They also had fresh fruit juice and smoothies, which we did not miss. We drove down further while enjoying the farms and little hamlets and more sodas. The food in Costa Rica is extremely yummy with fresh produce. We stopped at another beautiful place and enjoyed some patacones, which are plantains cut into coins, flattened, and then fried. They usually serve it with a dipping sauce or a condiment. As we drove further, we came across Hacienda Alsacia. In 2013, Starbucks bought this first coffee farm in Costa Rica. This farm is mostly used for their R&D work, but we were here to enjoy the location with beautiful coffee plantation, a natural waterfall, and of course, delicious coffee and chocolate treats. They also offer coffee tours and walk us through the plantation and coffee processing units. But we had that planned for another day at another place. For now, we grabbed few goodies and sat down to enjoy them, taking in the gorgeous sunset. What a beautiful way to end day 2 of Costa Rica trip. We headed back to Alajuela to our cozy hotel room to rest up and be ready for our adventure the next day.